Hello guys, this is Bear from Adobe Shorts. So in today's video we're gonna see that how we can whiten the teeth in a realistic way so we can remove that yellowish part from the teeth. So what we have to do, I am going to my quick selection tool and making a quick selection around the teeth. It actually doesn't have to be very precise or perfect. I guess this is fine, or yes, this is fine. So what you have to do next, go to adjustment layer and click on hue and saturation. After doing that, just go to this meter to yellows. What it will actually do, it will work only the yellows that it will only work the yellows in the selection we just made. So I am clicking on yellows. So you know that hue is the color, I mean which color, and saturation is the intensity of that color, and lightness is, I mean how bright or dark that color should be. So in this case, we just selected that yellows in our selection, and we just decreased its intensity to 0, and then we are just moving the slider to the most brighter side. So you can see how precisely it worked. So let's compare the results. I'm just hiding my layer on which we just worked, and you can see that the yellow part of the teeth goes and a pure white layer came onto that. So that's it. Thanks for watching.